Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change a name in Netflix. If you are looking for a way to change your Netflix account name, then let me tell you that there is no feature to change your profile name on the Netflix account. But if you want to go ahead and change a name on one of your profiles on Netflix, then you can do it in just a couple of steps. From the main homepage of Netflix, mouse over to your profile avatar and click on Manage Profile. From the Manage Profile section, select one of the profile that you want to change the name on and click on the little pencil icon. Now, enter the new name that you are trying to change for your profile, and once you are done, scroll down and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your profile's name on Netflix. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.